Hi guys, so today I want us to look at the nth term, how to find the nth term of a linear sequence. So for you to find the nth term of a linear sequence, the first thing that we need to recall is the general formula of the nth term of a linear sequence is given by an plus b, right? So yes, we can use Tn there to represent the nth term. Someone can write in full nth term is still okay, but then what is main is this part. What is key is this part, an plus b, where a is the common difference and b is the difference between the first term of the original sequence and the common difference. Right, I have some two examples down here, so those are the ones that I want us to use so that you can see how we can work it out. Okay, let's start with the first one. Right, you can write solutions here. Right, part A. Right, I have 5, 9, 13 and 17. So the first thing that you do for you to find the nth term, you subtract 9 minus 5. Okay, subtract these two. What you get, we have 4 here. You also subtract 13 minus 9, we get 4 again, and then you subtract these two again. 17 minus 13, you get 4. So now once you get the same value like this, we call this the common difference. Okay, this is the common difference. Common difference. Common difference there. Right. So if the first difference, if all the values of the first difference look the same, then it means it's a linear sequence. Okay. Now going back to our general formula, we say Tn is equal to An plus B. So if you look closely, we can see that our A is equal to 4. And then for us to get B, we say B is equal to the first term of the original sequence is 5 minus the common difference, which is 4. So that means our answer is equal to 1. Right. So this implies that the nth term is equal to 4n plus 1. We can double check and see if our answer is correct, right? We can say when n is equal to 1, right, we have 4 times 1 plus 1. This is going to give us 5. When n is equal to 2, you can see a 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 1, that gives you 9. When n is equal to 3, we have 4 times 3 plus 1, that's 12 plus 1, that gives us 13. When n is equal to 4, that is 4 times 4, and then that's 16 plus 1, this gives you 17. Right, let's look at the second one. Right, the numbers were, right, part B, minus 7, minus 4, I think I have minus 1 and 2 there. Minus 1 and then 2. Right, let's double check. Minus 7, minus 4, minus 1 and 2. Right, so what we are doing, we are subtracting, okay, these two values. So if I say minus 4 minus 7, this is minus 4 plus 7, and it's going to give me 3. All right, if I say minus 1, so now I'm subtracting these two. Minus 1 minus minus 4, that gives me a plus there, which is minus 1 plus 4. Again, I get a 3. If I say 2 minus minus 1, that is 2 plus 1, then it means I'm getting a 3. So once these values look the same, then you know it's a linear sequence. Right, from this we can see that our A is equal to 3. Then B will be equal to minus 7 minus 3, which is equal to minus 10. Then this implies that the nth term is equal to, remember it's An plus B, right? So this will be equal to 3n minus 10. You can verify as well, but generally this is how you find the nth term of a linear sequence. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next time.